Hello everyone, welcome to Code Smart. So in this video I will be talking about AI code editor, which is Cursor. So Cursor is a very good AI code editor which you can use in your day-to-day coding. This is help you write your code a lot faster and it boosts your productivity. So I'll show you how to use it, why to use it. So keep watching this video. Let's get started. There are few features which this cursor editor has. Number one is natural language processing, where you can put your question everything in simple English language and it will give you code. Number two is debugging and context understanding. So it will understand your context, your project structure, everything, and it will suggest exact code what you are looking for. Number three is code completion. It will try to autocomplete your code by putting suggestion, and those are exactly what you need. So I'll show you everything in demo. You need to download Cursor. Go to this site cursor.com and you can download from here. So once you open your Cursor editor, let me show you. So you just need to click on Cursor, then go to settings, then go to Cursor settings. You need to log in from here. So after I already did my login, so that's why it's showing log out. So once you do your signing, you will get your trial account. All the pro features will be there. One important thing which I wanted to share is please enable these settings, privacy mode to enable. Now I will show you the interesting features in Cursor AI. First one is the code completion. Let's say I added this function in my code and then I want to add a factorial function. Let's say factorial number n. Once I type function factorial, it's trying to analyze it and it trying to complete my function. It can suggest you lot of functions, lot of code which can boost your productivity and help you code faster. One more thing which Cursor can do is the debugging thing. So let's say Cursor can understand the context of the function, of the file, of the project, everything. So let's say this is the function, this has some bug. So in real world, this function can be thousands and two thousands of lines. So it's very difficult to debug things. So you can ask Cursor to do that. You can get help from Cursor while debugging. Select that function and then type Command Shift L. So once you do that, then you can simply ask, please fix the code. Cursor will try to analyze the context, analyze the function, and it's trying to fix the issue. So here as you can see, it handle lot of issues, lot of edge cases it can handle, and it can update your code. And you just need to click on this apply to update this, and from here you can accept the code. As you can see, it handle lot of edge cases. So this is really good. Now I will show you the natural language processing. This is very interesting and very useful. You can write all your functionality, all your need in simple English language, and it will create whole code and whole file for you. So let's say here, this is one file I created, customer.ts. In this file, I try to add lot of customer related features like login, register, forgot password, all other things. So I can simply add command here in the text. First, you need to add your context. To open this, you can type command. Let me close this. Command Shift L. It will open the chat, the Cursor AI chat here, and you can write here your command. So context means what are the file you want Cursor to know, to scan through, to write your code and help you in your coding. So let me first, what I need is the customer page. So let's say customer.ts I select. If I need any other file, I can simply type @ It can take folder, file, code, everything, any link if you want to provide. You can provide all these options which can help Cursor to generate the code in a better way. So for now, I am not selecting anything. So I am directly writing my command here. So these are my commands. So I want to get these functionalities: register, login, reset password, update profile, etc. And I mention what exact thing I need. So I need separate function, I need some schema, temporary types, everything what I need. Also I mention how I need the code. it should be well optimized code, it should have comment properly, it should have handled the error properly, it should write the function name properly. So these are all the things I mentioned. So you can mention this thing or you can leave it, but if you mention everything in thorough and in a brief way, then cursor can generate lot better code for you. And you can select different model from here. So Claude 3.5 really good for coding. I always try to prefer this, but you can prefer any other model here. GPT-4 is also really good, but I prefer Claude. And once you're done with your command, you can simply press enter and boom, the magic will happen. You can see the cursor is writing code for you and it's really fast, and it can write lot of code in a small time. So as you can see here, it write the type from here, it import everything, it try to fill this file customer.ts, it write every function, and how neat and clean this code is, you can see here. It's really good. Not only write code, it will also try to explain you the codes. You can read this documentation from here and you can understand the code. You don't need to copy paste from here. You can simply click on this apply. So this will get applied to your file. Since you added this context, this customer.ts in your context, now once you apply the changes, you need to accept it. So simply accept it. So these are all the things I wanted to share, and thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please like this video, and I will come up with lot more interesting videos in the future. So please subscribe to this channel if you have not. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.